Good morning, students. I, Dr. Santosh Sharma, Professor, Faculty of Education, Swami Vivekananda Subharati University. Today, we will discuss the evaluation system and its type. As you know, evaluation is a systematic determination of a subject's merit, worth, and significance using criteria governed by a set of standards. जैसा कि पहले भी हमने बताया था कि मूल्यांकन जो है वो मूल्य देने की प्रक्रिया है, महत्ता देने की प्रक्रिया है, और ये एक सिस्टमेटिक प्रोसेस है किसी सब्जेक्ट को मेरिट में प्रोवाइड करने का, उसके वर्थ को डिफ़ाइन करने का, उसके महत्व को डिफ़ाइन करने का, एंड दैट इज़ डन ऑन द बेस ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड्स, मानकों के आधार पर ये किया जाता है. नाउ we come to know the types of evaluation. As you know, there are 5 types of evaluation. First is formative evaluation. Formative अर्थात जिसमें बालक की योग्यताओं क्षमताओं को फॉर्म किया जाता है, डेवलप किया जाता है इनिशियल स्टेज पर. सेकेंड इज समेटिव evaluation, that is done in the end, of the course or the course which you have designed. The main purpose of this is to evaluate the overall progress of the student in that particular course. Third one is process evaluation. Process evaluation always focuses on the implementation of the training program to determine if specific activities and strategies that we are implemented to draw the students' outcomes is proper or not proper. Next is outcome evaluation. Outcome evaluation is known as the knowledge and the attitudes and the behavior which we have decided in earlier, or when we start the course, are they attained by the students or not. Impact evaluation is long term evaluation. After completing the course, if the students are performing everything that is attained by them in the training program, and they are performing in the practical platform properly, we will say that the impact of this is called the work of evaluation as the impact of evaluation. It is always how they practically perform their ability, capabilities, attitudes, knowledge which they gained or which they achieved by the program. Now we will explain these types in a descriptive form. A formative evaluation is a method for assessing the value of a training program while the program and its activities are being formed or in the process of being developed. It is usually conducted when a new training program is being first developed or when an existing program is being modified. The purpose of this type of evaluation is to ensure a program and or its activities meets the need of the intended audience before it is fully implemented. These evaluations help catch flaws or gaps early on so that the proper modifications can be made to allow the learners to successfully acquire the intended skills and knowledge. Now, by the whole description, we come to know that when a program is initiated or is implemented first time, or the existing program which we want to modify, when we does the formative evaluation, because formative evaluation may tell us the gaps, the catch flows, the weaknesses of the students that where they are weak, and we have the opportunity to change that portion or to change that content in our training program. Next is summative evaluation. Summative evaluation is a method of assessing the values and the effectiveness of a training program at the end of the program activities, or we can say summation. The findings are used to help decide whether a program and its activity should be continued or modified or improvement. For improvement, summative evaluations occur at the end of a program to provide an overall assessment of program effectiveness. They can help answer some of the following questions. Were the learning objectives met? क्या हमें लर्निंग ऑब्जेक्टिव जो हमने डिसाइड किए थे वो हमें प्राप्त हुए? इज़ देयर अ नीड टू मॉडिफाई द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द प्रोग्राम? नेक्स्ट, इज़ देयर अ नीड टू मॉडिफाई स्पेसिफिक एरियाज और एक्टिविटीज़? नेक्स्ट, शुड वी कंटिन्यू to deliver the program? These are the questions that are asked when we does summative evaluation. The various instruments that can be used to collect the data for a summative evaluation include questionnaires, surveys, interviews, observations, and testing. Now, the next one is process evaluation. A process evaluation determines whether a training program and its activities have been implemented as intended. These evaluations are typically conducted periodically throughout the life of the training program to address possible inefficacies. It is used when a program is implemented to ensure that the program is efficient and effective. It can also be used during the later stages of a program's life to ensure it is still achieving its intended goals. Either way, these evaluations focuses on how a program actually functions and assesses its materials and activities. It means all the activities, the methods, the methodology, the data which we want to use to make fulfill the objectives. These all activities and the functions and the materials, the methodology are assessed in this process evaluation. Now come the outcome evaluation. An outcome evaluation measures program effects on the target audience by assessing the outcome or learning objectives that the program was intended to achieve. Essentially, they determine what the participants were able to do as a result of the training. These types of evaluations focuses on the changes in the knowledge, attitude and behavior that resulted from program's activities. It means बालक के व्यवहार में, उसके लर्निंग में, उसके नॉलेज में, उसके एटीट्यूड्स में, उसके बिहेवियर में क्या क्या चेंजेस आए हैं, दैट इज इवेलुएटेड बाय आउटकम इवेलुएशन. दे मेजर्स व्हाट द ट्रेनिंग participants were able to do at the end of the training and what they actually did back on the job as a result of the training. These evaluations help determine whether or not the desired results of applying new skills were achieved in the short term. Impact evaluations, the last one. An impact evaluation assesses a program effectiveness in achieving its ultimate business goals or ultimate goals, we can say. They determine how will the program achieve its learning objectives and how the results of a training affected the overall business strategic goals or overall teaching learning strategic goals. Essentially, these evaluations attempt to determine the direct impact the training had on the business performance. These types of evaluations focuses on long-term sustained changes as a result of the training program. They assesses what changes in the participants' behavior can be attributed to the training program. Thank you. This was all about the evaluation process and the various type of evaluation. Next we will meet with the other topic. Thank you.